If you've been waiting for the absolute best time of the year to sign up for Hostinger, this is it. The Hostinger Black Friday sale is officially live, and this is the biggest discount you'll see all year, with up to 85% off plus an extra 15% discount when you use the exclusive Hostinger coupon code I added below with the link in the description. You'll also get a free domain name for the first year on qualifying plans, which makes this deal even better. So before you pay full price or choose a plan, make sure you click the link in the description, apply the coupon code next to it, because the extra discount does not show automatically. You must apply it to unlock the biggest savings. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Alright, let's break it down. The first category in this Black Friday deal is Hostinger web hosting, perfect if you're starting a blog, business website, landing page, or WordPress site. Here's what the pricing looks like with the Black Friday offer and coupon. Premium plan as low as $166 a month, perfect for beginners and small websites. Business plan as low as $234 a month, better performance, more storage, and daily backups. This one is the best value for most people. Cloud Startup plan as low as $633 a month, faster than shared hosting and great if you want more speed or plan to scale. Every annual multi-year plan includes a free domain for the first year. The monthly plan does not include a free domain. And if you want to lock in the biggest discount, select the 48-month term at checkout. If you need more control, power, and dedicated resources, Hostinger's VPS plans are also on sale. Here are a few examples with the Black Friday pricing. KVM1 as low as $424 a month, KVM2 as low as $509 a month, KVM4 as low as $849 a month, KVM8 as low as $1699 a month. This is perfect for developers, e-commerce stores, agencies, or anyone needing more performance than hosting. If you want a website fast without coding or WordPress setup, Hostinger's drag and drop builder is also discounted. Premium website builder as low as $166 a month, business website builder as low as $234 a month. This includes AI tools, templates, and built-in hosting, great for beginners or small business owners. For power users, agencies, or bigger sites, cloud hosting also has massive discounts. Cloud Startup as low as $633 a month, Cloud Professional as low as $1359 a month, Cloud Enterprise as low as $2549 a month. These include more CPU, storage, and performance. A step up from web hosting. If you've considered Hostinger's managed hosting platform, those plans are included too. Horizons Explorer as low as $594 a month, Starter as low as $849 a month, Hobbyist as low as $2549 a month, Hustler as low as $50.99 a month. These include premium performance in 1 month free when choosing an annual plan. This Black Friday deal is the lowest pricing Hostinger offers all year. And once the sale ends, the prices go back up. So if you've been waiting, now is the perfect time. Click the link below, apply the coupon code, and lock in your savings before the deal ends. If you have questions about which plan is best, drop a comment. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy the savings.